Hi, Classy Claws. I thought it's about time I put another video on because it's been ages and ages and ages. I'm really, really sorry, but I put these on me the other day, and I did actually record it. So I didn't record everything though. I didn't do the filing and other bits and pieces, but I thought I need to put another video on, and I forgot how to edit and everything. But anyway, I put these on, and it's a very, very quick video, not very long, 6 minutes. So just have a little look, see what you think. It's more about the design really than the application, because the application's a bit pants. I only really do my own nails anymore. I don't do many people's, so I'm kind of getting out of practice. But this was a nice silvery set. I can't remember who it was inspired by, but glitter artery nails, I think. I know, I can't remember, but anyway, it's all CJP as usual, and I've got Black Magic, I think it's called. Angel Wings is the silver that I'm putting on now. I've got Stone, I think it's called, and then there's another one called Storm, and I've used Angel Wings as part of the glitter on that marble nail, and then I've used some other glitter that I've got as well. I'm not quite sure. Then I've put some gems on at the end. These are just party nails really, but they've only been on a week, but they're going to come off tomorrow. And I'm going to put a different set on, like a nude glittery set for my holidays next week. So I'm going to be taking these off. When I look at this application, it's shocking. Don't forget to put your clear down before you put your black on, otherwise you will end up with a black nail 4 months. I did that with orange and oh god, nightmare. So always put down clear first, and also before you put glitter down, because your glitter will stick to your nail as well. So obviously I did all the prep and everything beforehand, and I put my tips on. I don't use expensive tips, these are just tips that I find off eBay, they work just as well. I put my design down, and then I encapsulate all the nails with crystal glass and get my shape and everything with my crystal glass. Don't waste your colours. And then file into shape, and then put some no wipe top coat on, and I use Blue Sky for that. So sorry, this is a really, really super quick video. I just thought it would be good just to kind of stick one on and get back into it. I'll record what I do this weekend on these my nails, and see if I can get another video up next week and try and get back into the hang of it if I can really. Okay, that's about it. Keep watching, subscribe if you're not already, and if you'd like to, and I'll catch you in my next one. All right, take care everyone. Bye bye.